Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will show you and tell you how you can very easily delete your story in TikTok. Please subscribe to our channel, do not forget to put likes, write comments. And let's get started. So, first of all, open the TikTok app. Next, you will need to go to your profile. Now you will need to tap on your image to open your story. And then you will need to swipe up. Now you're only going to need to do one very simple thing. It's right here in the left corner. Click on the trash can sign. And the next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to click delete. And as you can see now around your profile picture, there is no such circle that means you have a history in TikTok. So that's the very simple way, friends, you can delete your stories in TikTok. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, please give us your likes and comments. See you later.